Pull-ups are an effective body weight exercise that targets the muscles in your back, shoulders, and arms. By doing them every day, they can provide numerous benefits for your body that you may want to take in consideration. With that said, in this video we'll explore in depth what will happen if you do pull-ups every day. Let's get started. 1. Increased upper body strength. One of the most significant benefits of doing pull-ups every day is an increase in upper body strength. Pull-ups primarily target the muscles in your back, shoulders, and arms, making them an effective exercise for developing strength in these areas. By doing pull-ups every day, you can gradually increase the number of repetitions you can perform, leading to increased strength and muscle size and also definition in your back, shoulders, and arms muscles. 2. Improved posture. Strengthening the muscles in your upper back and shoulders through pull-ups can also contribute to improving your posture. These muscles play a crucial role in maintaining good posture, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting or working at a desk. So, just by practicing pull-ups every day, you can prevent the development of a rounded upper back or shoulder slump, improving your overall posture. 3. Increased grip strength. Pull-ups require a strong grip, making them one of the best ways to improve your grip strength. A strong grip can improve your performance in activities that require grasping and holding, such as rock climbing, weightlifting, and most importantly, opening jars. 4. Increased muscle definition. Another great benefit of doing pull-ups every day is increased muscle definition in your upper body. As you do pull-ups every day, you'll notice an improvement in the appearance of your back, shoulders, and arms. This can give you a more toned and defined upper body, improving your overall physique. 5. Improved cardiovascular fitness. While pull-ups are primarily a strength exercise, they can also improve your cardiovascular fitness. Pull-ups require a significant amount of energy and oxygen, making them a demanding exercise that can get your heart rate up. And by doing them every day, you will improve your cardiovascular fitness and endurance, leading to better overall health. With that said, I challenge you to do 10 correct pull-ups right now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything new. Thank you for watching. See you next time.